Welcome to the world of bottle art, where an ordinary glass of plastic bottle or plastic bottle is transformed into something extraordinary. It's not just craft, it's a mindful journey, a way of giving new life to something we often throw away. To begin, take a clean bottle, wash it thoroughly, remove labels, and let it dry. What will you make with it? You can make it with very artistic ideas you can create in your mind. It depends on you, it depends your inner artist. This bottle is now your canvas. You can paint it with acrylic colors, wrap it with jute or yarn, or decorate it with beads, mirrors, and fabric. Each touch of colors, each stroke of creativity turns waste into beauty. The process is simple but magical. Start with a base coat of paint. Once dry, add patterns, textures, or designs that reflects your imagination. If you love minimalism, soft pastel shades will calm the eye. If you love boldness, go with vibrant reds, blues, and golden touches. Add and remember, there is no wrong way in art, only your way. Bottle art is more than decoration, it is therapy. As your hands move gently, your mind slows down. Stress melts away from you, and what's left is a peaceful focus. Just a medication. Art helps us breathe better, think clearer, and feel lighter. And here's the healthy part: by recycling bottle into art, you're protecting the environment. Every bottle you use to one less piece of waste, polluting our planet. That means cleaner air, safer water, and a healthier life for all of us. Creativity becomes a gift not just to yourself, but to the earth. You can give it. You can recycle bottle with it. You can recycle bottle. It would be a very nice for every human and also for earth. Finished bottle can become flower vases, lamp bases, pen holders, or simply stunning home decor pieces. They bring warmth into a room and carry a story, the story of how you turned something forgotten into something loved. So try bottle art, let your imagination flow, let your heart paint, and let your craft remind you beauty is not bought, it is created. And when we create with care, we heal ourselves and the world us. If you leave a comment in the comment section, I will give a short